Welcome to Bio Mode, where the glam is real, the stories are raw, and every model we feature is more than a pretty face, they're a force. And today, we dive into the bold, wild, and wonderfully unpredictable world of Sal Melons. The model with curves, confidence, and charisma that you cannot scroll past. Sal Melons isn't your average runway dream. She's the curve queen with a personality as vibrant as her wardrobe and a presence that owns every pixel. A mix of vintage soul and modern edge, Sal has carved her space in the fashion world by doing one thing right, being unapologetically herself. Her story begins not in a casting room or fashion capital, but in a small desert town where creativity was her escape. As a teenager, Sal didn't blend in. She stood out, bold lips, louder outfits, and an energy that didn't fit the mold. But that's exactly what made her special. She began uploading bold, high-energy photos on social media, not just modeling, but performing for the lens. And the internet, it ate it up. With each post, Sal brought something different: body confidence, expressive styling, and captions that made you laugh, think, and double tap. She turned fashion into a playground where her rules ruled. Within a year, her follower count surged, and brands knew they weren't just booking a model, they were booking a movement. Standing at 5 feet 5 inches, 165 centimeters, with full body measurements of 38-30-42, Sal Melons breaks barriers with every shoot. Her hourglass silhouette, radiant golden brown skin, and wild curly auburn hair make her instantly iconic. She doesn't chase beauty standards, she reinvents them. Whether it's neon bodysuits, retro glam, or lingerie that screams "Own your power," Sal makes fashion bend to her.